I'm Wendy Buskop. I'm a patent attorney with the Buskop Law Group, and a frequently asked question is, what happens when you get a rejection from the patent office? How do we deal with it? Well, there are 4 different types of rejections that the patent office can mail to an applicant. The first type is called 101, which means the patent office can't figure out how it's an invention that's eligible for a patent. As the law changed from plain old business methods patents to being more computer-implemented business methods, the examining corps frequently decided to issue 101 rejections on any case that just used the words method instead of computer-implemented method. So it's a common rejection in that art, but it's easy to overcome. The second type of rejection is the worst type of rejection. It's a Section 102 rejection. It means the examiner thinks all of the elements of your invention are found in one reference. A lot of times that's not really accurate. Not all of the elements actually match. Some of them are different than the others. So it's possible to point out to the examiner how when he thought it was a collar, it wasn't really a collar, it was a split ring assembly, and show that it's different from what he thought. The third type of rejection is the most common, and it's called the 103 rejection. It means the examiner had to look for several references and combine them to actually reveal the invention that was filed on. So not all parts of the invention were in one case or one reference. It means some parts were in one, others were in the second and third, and so forth. The fourth type of rejection is called a 112 rejection, which means there wasn't enough description in the cases filed to explain what some of the nouns were or the steps were that were used to describe the invention. Typically, this last form can be handled by a paper response. Usually the 102 rejection has to be interviewed in Washington because there's such a fundamental misunderstanding about the invention. Unless you talk to the examiner, you'll be before the appeal board before you know it. So, I hope that answers some of the questions about responses to office action. My name's Wendy Buskop, and we're the Buskop Law Group, and we want to help you and your friends patent their inventions. I'm Wendy Buskop, and for more information, look to buskoplaw.com.